Hey guys, it's another Kenya vlog. Welcome back to another video. If you've been enjoying the Kenyan videos so far, just hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know in the comment section below. So today we decided to enter into the streets of Kenya, or into the streets of Nairobi, to try out real Kenyan food, because I've been cooking, I've been going to all these restaurants. We've tried Burger King, we tried Eritrean and Ethiopian meal, and we're like, what better place to try real Kenyan food than in the streets of Kenya/Nairobi. So yeah, this is just going to be a Nigerians try Kenyan meals for the first time, and I hope you enjoy it. What is this again? What's the name of the whole dish?
So smokies and eggs.
Okay.
All right.
I've been wanting to try real Kenyan food.
This is more like
It's like a
this is more like a street food type.
like a street food, street snack. I still want to try the nyama choma and the pilau.
Yeah.
But this will do for now.
I don't know if she likes it. She's having the face of judgment.
The aftermath tastes like moi moi.
Oh yeah, it kind of tastes like mama.
It tastes like moi moi.
Okay, it's not bad then. I love moi moi. Is it like spicy moi moi?
Basically hot dog, tomato,
Yeah.
and onion. Finally found it.
Yeah, she finally found the food she wants to eat. Well, I found the food she wants to eat.
Hopefully it's worth this stress that I'm putting myself.
It's not that stressful, is it though? For one? For the two of them, eh? Okay, four. I thought you said for one. I was going to cry. I was gonna be like, she's gonna take all my money for just one spoon.
Guys, so we are at this restaurant at Gong. Thank you. Well, we actually came here. We wanted to come to the market, or we came to the market to get some, souvenirs and stuff. We didn't want to go to the touristy areas because money, expenses. So we came here and we did not see what we were looking for. Just bought sweater and tissue. That's all, because we need tissue. Yeah, we saw this place and they have nyama choma. So I'm going to eat this today. I asked for the pilau, but they didn't have pilau, so I'm just going to eat whatever we have right now. And we have smirnoff. I've not taken this smirnoff before, so I'm going to try this particular one now. And I'm facing this way because of light. If I back you guys will not see anything. But yeah, we're waiting for the food. Let's taste it and see what it has to offer. There's a place upstairs, but we decided to stay here. Upstairs is too full.
What size do you have? Okay, let me get. Is that half?
No.
How much is that worth?
This is 1.5 kilos.
1.5. 13.50. Half.
Half is not like this.
Okay. This one, the full one.
For this, eh?
Yeah. Does it come with rice or anything, or is it just the meat?
Give it 10 minutes, eh?
10 minutes?
That
Okay.
can be well done.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've been dating with this. It's kind of maize, but it's
What's
pretty
the
much
name?
full. It is ugali.
Ugali. Ah, you see, I've been asking for. Yeah.
Oh, this is what you're asking for?
Yeah, ugali, pilawi, and nyama choma.
Okay, well, this is the ugali.
Ah!
Oh, thank you, Hope.
Mm.
You don't want to get pilawi?
Cap, follow me, John. This is basically fufu.
You don't know this one. You come from where?
Nigeria.
Nigeria, there's no gima, no ugali. This
No.
is ugali.
But it tastes like fufu in Nigeria. But it
this
is different.
is different.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Okay.
It's not the same, it's
This one
different.
is in the UGALI in Kenya.
Where do you make it from?
Energy meal, maize.
Maize. Oh, corn.
There is maize, nini.
Yeah.
There is
Yes,
maize.
yes,
This
yes.
one.
Ah.
Why you cannot make nini UGALI nini? This one nini Nigeria. There is no.
No, this one we have corn, but we use it to make pap.
Where?
Pap. But the one that looks like this is from cassava.
Yeah, yam.
Cassava, okay.
The one that looks like this
This is
from
maize.
this one is maize.
Nini meal.
Yeah, I can taste it.
Maize.
You can, right?
Tastes like corn.
Tastes like corn.
It's very good energy giving.
Yeah.
Every African like country or tribe or nation have a food like this.
Yeah.
Like the whole country. Like from what I've seen anyway. I'm not an expert in that food. It's probably goat meat. I didn't think about it. I was thinking like maybe it might be ram or something.
Is it goat meat?
Is it goat?
Nyama choma is goat meat.
It's good.
I don't like goat meat.
I see
I don't like goats.
goats.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Why?
I don't know.
It tastes weird.
I don't know why she doesn't like it, but she doesn't like it.
It's good.
It tastes good. It tastes good.
I'm going to try. I'm still going to try this one. I'll try this one.
Let me ask the chef.
Try it.
Is the meat goat?
Yeah, it's
Goat?
good meat.
Okay.
Good meat, yeah.
You don't like it?
She doesn't like it.
Oh, she doesn't like it.
I'll eat it. Don't worry.
Try the other one.
Which other one is there?
The round one.
Oh, what is that?
That's called mutura.
Yeah, what animal?
Yeah?
What animal?
It's for the goat.
Oh, it's still goat too?
Goat
Intestine?
intestine. Is that intestine? No,
Yeah,
more.
this is
Yeah.
intestine.
Oh, that's
It's intestine, yeah.
yeah.
Me, I like
You
goat
want to
meat.
try it?
I like goat meat, but she doesn't like goat meat. She
Oh, she doesn't like goat meat.
doesn't like goat meat. Yeah.
Maybe you
This
try
place
that.
is for goat meat.
This
I
is
know,
all goat-
right? I
this is all
know.
goat meat. You know, it's rare to find in the roast. Most often is beef. It's
Goat.
it's goat meat, not beef.
Not beef.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let me go see her. Yeah, Pam. It's hard to find like roast cow or anything like that. It's normally goat in this country.
Premium tears, guys. Oh my god.
I'm looking forward to it though.
Oh Jesus. I'll probably just eat half and leave the rest for you. But I still want to try it.
Really?
Maybe the goat taste is not as strong as I'm just trying to make myself feel better, okay? I cannot believe it's goat meat. Jesus
Can't
Christ.
believe it.
Why have I been stressing out so much about this meal? I'm bringing now. Let us taste and see what the shit is about. Cannot believe. Why am I looking here? This is the camera. Jesus Christ.
Camera is over here.
I cannot believe. I cannot believe I have been stressing out about this meal and it is good.
Well, best believe, girl. Best believe.
You should hurry up now.
On the other hand, me, I'm still looking forward to it. You know, kind of like goat meat, but I feel sad for her obviously that she's not eating.
I will still eat it. I'll still eat it. I
Okay.
cannot be raving about this meal and still not taste it. I'll taste it and see
Wow,
what it's
nice.
about.
I'm surprised. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at you. You're shocking me.
Ugali.
Wow. Okay, that's a bit too much now.
Okay.
I think it's still good whether I like it or not.
That's a huge meat. What do you call it?
That's not sure if I would like this.
Yeah. The smell is already kicking me.
Like, you can't even see anything. It's well done.
Carrot. So this is salt. This is the meat all chopped up. This is ugali. Someone likes goat meat, so he's enjoying.
I'm enjoying it.
I'm scared.
The flavor is
I'm
good.
scared to try it.
It's smoky. Whatever spice they used, I like it.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right, let me try.
It's good food. It's good food. Okay, let's see what she thinks about it.
Actually not as bad as I thought. Just like
Yeah, exactly.
adds a different taste to it.
Yeah, and this pretty much has no flavor as you expect. It's just corn.
It has no flavor.
It's like corn mash.
Yeah, they said this is from corn, from maize.
Yeah.
But we asked for pepper, so he said with pepper now.
And it's just literally actual pepper.
And it's fresh pepper.
Yeah. Although.
You see, it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually good. It tastes like suya in Nigeria.
And the energy giving
Yeah.
protein.
So we've been eating for a while now. What do you think?
I think it's good. It's a different meal. No sauce, no nothing, just meat, salt, fresh pepper, and corn. I actually don't mind that it's goat meat. I'm not really getting that strong goat taste. So it's good. Okay, guys, we are done eating. I am stuffed. Let me show you. Oh, jeez. Tell you that it was a good meal. Let me show you. So, this is what we have left. Finish. Water is fine. Water, yes. Yes, thank you. The lady here is so nice. Anyways, yeah, we are packing this to go because somebody likes goat's meat. But yeah, it was not too bad. I ate. Yeah, we are taking this to go. Boom, boom, boom. So we are done. Yay, yay. So again, we had nyama choma and ugali with smell of ice. Smell of ice. It's been a while.
Been a while,
This one actually tastes bad. I like the taste of this
It
one.
has been a while since I've
Yeah, it's been a while since I've had smell of ice.
Yeah.
We did not start this vlog right because we did not expect to actually find it. The plan was to film this better, but you know, I don't think it would have, my plan would have beat this one. I think this is where I'm going to end this eating vlog. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe. If there are other meals you want us to try, let us know in the comment section below. I don't even think we'll be able to try it, but yeah, anyways, because we might live by then. Anyways,
Yeah, we'll be gone by the time you comment, but still leave comments though.
yeah.
We can come back to Kenya again.
Yes, if you want us to come back to Kenya again, say that. Let us know in the comment section below. Again, I don't know if I've said it, but the lady here, she's so nice. She went to bring us water, and she's bringing us water. Thank you. Thank you so much. She's so nice. The name of this place is Jamba Square. You guys, please come here and patronize her. It's at Ngong. Wait, let me flip so people see me. She's again Jamba Square at Ngong. At Gong. Yeah. At the Gong. You people understand what I'm saying, Sha? It's at the market square, something like that. Yeah, the Ngong Business Center. I don't know what people will tell her when you come here, Sha, if you come here, but I hope you guys come here because she's really nice. Their service is okay. Yeah, that's the end. Bye. Catch you guys in another vlog. Peace. Again, I forgot to mention, everything we ate here is cheaper than what we've been eating in other restaurants. For this meal, both the meat, the go, even the smell of ice, 1,400.
I already paid for smell of ice.
Oh yeah, minus smell of ice, okay. Smell of ice is how much?
For 460.
450.
460.
Okay, the smell of ice was 460, then the nyama choma, the ugali, and not the go 1,000 something. So it's filling and we have to go.
Yeah,
So
this is pretty much the amount I spent on just my meal.
yeah.
Like the restaurants that we're going to.
Yeah, because we went to Asmara the other day and we
Yeah.
spent like 3,000 plus.
Yeah, and now like with this, I'm stuffed already, and you're
Yeah,
full too.
I'm full.
And there's still some left.
Yeah. All right. Bye bye.